Happy Saturday, everyone. I just got back from my last workout of the week. If you hear some crunching behind me, that's Callie eating. I figured I would show you the smoothie that I like to drink in the morning or after my workouts. It's really important to have protein in your system because when you're working out, you are ripping your muscles. And if you eat the protein, any form of protein, basically it attaches itself to those tears in your muscles, and that is how they build. I already put 2 bananas in here. I will add a couple cubes of ice at the top. I do a plant-based protein. So I do a plant-based protein. This is vanilla. I then do a Greek yogurt. This one has, I think, more protein than many that I see. It has the 22 grams of protein, 0 fat, 0 sweeteners, and 0 added sugar. So this is the one I like. I like to switch up what I put in my smoothies, so I prefer to do a vanilla that doesn't have a ton of flavor. Kelly, do you mind just chomping away? Goodness, thank you. Okay, my God. Then I like to do this powdered peanut butter. So I don't even know if this is actually healthy, but it comes in a powder. Oh, that's why. It has less fat than the regular peanut butter. And I like to do a peanut butter banana smoothie. So this is my substitute to some fatty peanut butter. I will then add in a tablespoon of flax seeds, and I do not drink milk, like ever. So I will add some almond milk. Greek yogurt really grosses me out. I don't eat it unless it's in a smoothie, but I'll just take 2 big heaping spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. I'm super weird about the order of ingredients that I put into my smoothie. So I like to do the bananas at the bottom because I feel like if you do the powders at the bottom, they don't mix in as well and they get stuck all around the edge. So I like to have the bananas as the base, and then I will put a thicker base like my Greek yogurt. And then that's when I'll start adding on all of my powders and just small stuff. I don't love the taste of banana powder, of protein powder. So I don't know. I do a scoop. I don't force it whatsoever. I then, well, this is a pretty big spoon. We'll take, it's kind of a lot, some peanut butter, and add that in. I am by no means a nutritionist, so I did take a nutrition course in college, and it was actually extremely fascinating. So I'm not sure if I am adding too much or too little, just me making a mess, but just dump some flax seeds in there, and then I'm going to add my almond milk. And this is what we're looking at right now. Okay guys, so I added the almond milk. I definitely don't measure it. I just kind of dump it in some ice cubes, and now I'm going to mix this bad boy up. Here is my final product. I don't think I've ever made a smoothie that tastes the same. That's what I'm talking about, baby. So good. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I inspired you a little bit to go work out.